How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile. Actually, within Instagram app, there is no such feature to hide the following and followers list. But what you can do is head towards this three bars given at the top right corner. Go to the option settings and privacy. You can set your Instagram account to the private account that will only allow your followers to view your following and followers list. To set your Instagram account to the private account, scroll down, hit towards this option of account privacy. You can see this option of private account, toggle on for this option. Switch to private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. So right now, this is the only way to hide Instagram following and followers list. In the future, if Instagram comes up with this kind of feature, then definitely I'm gonna update you guys. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.